Good morning, friends. In previous session, we discussed some functions of MySQL, where numeric functions. Here, we will discuss on some strings and date functions. So, first we will talk string oblique text function. What it is? First we will see what is lower function. We can use lower function or L case function to convert the value or string into lower case. So this is the syntax: lower within parenthesis string value, or we can use L case to find the lower case of the string. This is the example. Suppose we have given some value hello in capital letter, hello in mixing letter, means uppercase and lowercase both are mixed, and in third situation we have given hello in lowercase. So this is in uppercase, this is combination of uppercase and lowercase, and this is in lowercase. So lowercase function will converts all the string in the lowercase only. So it will convert uppercase to lowercase, as well as if it is already in lowercase, it will show in the lowercase only. Uppercase, we can use uppercase function or ucase function to convert the given string into uppercase. So, and this is the example. So whatever the string, it is in uppercase or lowercase, the uppercase function always converts in uppercase of all the provided values. So you can see here it is in already in uppercase, here it is in lowercase, here it is in lowercase, here it is mixing because H is in uppercase and remaining are in lowercase. So uppercase function, L case function or upper function converts whatever string is given into the uppercase only. Next, we will see mid function, substring function or substr function. So what it is? This function extracts a substring from a given string. This function returns a substring starting from the specified position. Syntax is mid, we can write mid or substring or sub substr. Then here string, complete string. Then second, what will be the position from the starting, and this is the length of characters. So example, if we have given select substring computer comma 3 comma 2, so it will start, this is the string first parameter, this is the string, and position 3 is the starting position, length 2 means total character will be 2. You can see here 3 is the starting character and displaying 2 characters only according to the parameter. So output will be 3. Sorry, output will be MP 1 2 3, third position, starting position 3, and it will count total 2 characters from here. So M and P, so output will be MP. You can see here how it works. 3 starting position and counting started from this position only, and total number of characters will be taken 2, 1 and 2, so output will be MP. In second example, you can see hello 2 is the starting position and total number of characters 3. So 1 2, this is the starting position and total number of characters will be counted 3, 1 2 3. So output will be ELL. Next example, hello 2 3. So it will start position 2 and number of characters will be total 3. So 1 2. What is the element here or character? E. E counting started from E and total number of characters will be taken 3. So 1, 2, 3 ELL. So output will be ELL. You can see here we can use mid function also to find the same out. You can see here same example in MySQL environment. In second example 3, 4, so it will started from third position 1, 2, 3 and total number of characters will be taken 4. So starting 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So output will be C, D, E, F. Output will be C, D, E, F. In another example starting point 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from E onwards, number of characters 4. 1, 2, 3, but here only 3 characters left, so it will display only 3 characters. String functions continued. Next we will see length function. This function returns the length of a given string in bytes. As you know, one character occupied 1 byte. So this is the syntax: length, then string value, select length hello. So it will find the size in bytes, and as one character occupied 1 byte, so total number of bytes will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So length of hello. Some examples here: hello will display 5, hello space hi. So here 5, then blank space, 6, then 7, then 8. Output will be 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So output will be 8. Means underscore and space also counted as a character. Left function. This function returns the leftmost number of the characters as specified. This is the syntax: left, then original string, then length to be taken. This is the example: hello parameter 2. So it will take 2 characters from the left. What it will be? HE. So output will be HE. Here 4. So 4 characters from the left side it will be take 1, 2, 3, 4. So output will be LE, HELL. Same will be in right function, but here it will take values from rightmost characters. You can see by the example. Computer 3. So it will take total 3 characters from the right side. So output will be TER. In another example here 3. So output characters will be taken 3 from the right side. 1, 2, 3. So here 2 spaces are there. So output will be 2 spaces and R. Next, ltrim function. Ltrim function, this function remove leading space, that is space from the left of the given string or beginning of the string. This is the syntax: L string, then string. See the example: ltrim. So it will remove from spaces from the leading space or beginning of the string. So it will truncate or trim the spaces from the beginning position and output will be hello. Here also it will remove the leading space only, not from the between or end. So output will be hello space hi. So always it will remove the leading space only. Next, rtrim. This functions remove trailing spaces, that is spaces from the right of the string or end of the string. So this is the syntax: rstrim, then string. You see the example. This removes spaces from the trailing side or end side. So after writing the command, it will remove spaces from the end. Here also you can see it will remove the spaces from the end, not from the beginning. beginning spaces will be as it is. Because it is R trimming, it will remove the spaces or trimming the spaces from the right side or end side or trailing side. Trim functions remove leading and trailing spaces from the given string. It performs combined function of L-trim and R-trim. This is the example. It will trim spaces from the beginning and from the ending also, means trailing and beginning space both. So this will remove your leading space also and trailing space also. So output will be hello only after trimming spaces from both the end. You can see here trim leading at the rate from this string. So it trim here, trim removing the leading at the rate symbol from this. So output will be after removing leading at the rate 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 at the rate will be removed and output will be started from bar onwards. So output will be bar onwards. And here also if you are writing trim trailing at the rate from this, so it will remove trailing at the rate from this given string. So output will be from at the rate to 1. So output will be at the rate from 1. Same you can see here. If you are writing both, so it will remove at the rate symbol from both the end. So output will be bar space 1. Bar space 1. Concat. This function concatenates two string, means adding two string and producing third string. So this is the syntax. Concat function string 1 comma string 2. You can see by the example, hello is first string comma everyone second string. After concat it will produce third string hello everyone. In-string function takes a string and a substring of it as argument and returns an integer which indicates the position of the first occurrence of the substring within the string. So this is the syntax. In str original string comma substring. So it will find that substring within original string. Here original string to be searched, substring to be searched for within the original string. This is the example. Computer comma te. So here this is computer is original string and te is substring. So we are finding te in computer. So te it will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th position T. After that E. So it will display the position T because TE substring started with the position 6. So output will be 6. You can see the same thing in second example also. Now we will discuss some date and time functions. First we will see now function. This function returns the current date and time. You can see here, if you are writing select now function, it will show the system current date and current time. Date function extract the date part of date or date time expression. So if you apply date function, it will show the date from the given value. So here it will show the date of given value. If date function producing date with time, so if you apply date function, so it will extract only date from the given part, means here time will be excluded. Month function. This function returns the month from the date passed. It returns the month for date in the range 1 to 12 months for January to December. So you can see here, if you are writing month function, so it will show the month from the date. So what it is? Fourth month. Year returns the year part of a date. So year function will display the year from the complete date format. So what it will be? Year will be 2020. Month name, it will show the name of the month. Syntax, month name and within parenthesis parameter date. So it will show month name. So what it is? Fourth month means it will show the name of fourth month is April. Day returns the day of the month from 1 to 31st, depend on the month. It can be 1 to 31 or 1 to 30 or 1 to 28 or 29. Syntax is day then date. So when you write select day and date, so it will display the day. So this is the 15th day of the month. 15th day of the month. So output will be 15th day. Day name returns the weekday name for a given date. This is the syntax. This is the example. Day name. So here day name. Day name means here it is showing Wednesday, means Wednesday is the day name of 15th April 2020. Some points you have to remember. Single row functions. Single row functions are the one who work on single row and return one output per row. These are numeric functions, string functions, date and time functions, etc. And what about aggregation or group function? A aggregate function or group function work upon groups of rows rather than on single row. Thank you for listening me.